Okay. So we are going to do this one and this one. You need to have your graphing calculators out so we know how to check.
See, mine didn't.
Like I tried to do that graphic stuff. The graphic stuff.
Nathan,
And I was like, why is it trying
no,
to
we still have one.
graph? Try to do a
It
homework problem.
doesn't show up. Yeah, that's my line.
You have like so close.
No, this calculator is 3 times faster than, or it's 3 times slower than TI.
Okay.
And I was like,
Okay.
My calculator.
Yeah, mine didn't work.
Okay. When we go to the board, if it's not working, can you let me know? I'll try to figure out what's going wrong with it. Okay. So for the shifts, for the first one. Aaron, can you give me one?
it's narrow by 3.
Okay, so this 3 out front makes it narrow. So narrow by 3. Lynette, give me another one. Okay, that makes it go up 4. This makes it go, Drew?
Right one.
Right 1. Remember when it's on the inside, you are asking what makes it 0. Okay. So, those numbers, our vertex comes from 2 of those numbers. Okay? Which of those numbers makes the vertex? No one?
The 1 and the 4.
The 1 and the 4. So if we go right 1, is that the x or the y?
That's the
X. Okay? So if we go right 1, that's the x. Is it positive or negative, guys? Positive. And so 4 is the y, positive or negative? Positive. Yep. So when we make a table of values, which one has to go in the middle?
1 4.
The vertex has to go in the middle. So what are 2 values on either side?
7 and 16. Oh, yeah, alright. Like 0.
0 and,
Negative
okay, and then
1. 2.
how do you get the table to show up? What do you have to do first? First you have to do y equals and get it put in. Okay? So please type this in. And then go second table. What do we get for the y's? 16, oh goodness. 7.
7.
Ooh.
16, that's a big one.
Okay. Did everyone get those?
One down there.
Okay. Now when we make a graph, do you want to count by ones or do you want to count by something else?
2. Halves. 0.8. 2. 4s. 4s.
I'll count by twos.
I like 4s.
10, 12, 14, 16. You can count by ones if you want. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Woo! But do you want to count your x's by twos or your x's by ones? Ones? Okay. You have to tell me if you don't count by ones. Okay.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh,
How do you tell?
Oh.
Like this. This is telling me.
Oh,
What if I?
Why would we just like put a
just
note
did
on
the
top?
bottom
It's like
and just did the top number?
That's okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. When I say count by twos, you could just go like that.
Okay.
Or you could just actually go like that.
is that it?
I just need to know. Yes.
What if we did like my entire assignment like that? Can't I just put up a note where you count?
Remember, this one I'm just doing by completion because I'm going to watch you at the board for a really long time to make sure you get it.
Psych.
So, that was, well, not just you two, but everybody. Okay, so if we graph it, 2, 4, 6,
Wait, who do we appreciate?
7, 1, 4, 2, 7, 3. Wait, U or V?
You.
U, because it's x squared.
So if you just say graph and then look at the graph and copy it down the sheet.
Well, I'm going to say on your test, that's a good question. You're not going to have these to memorize these steps. Blake, I will literally say, write the shifts, state the vertex, write the table. Okay? So if on your homework you looked at the graph, that's fine. Okay? So don't try to like memorize this order. I will ask it. Like, tell me the shifts, tell me the vertex, write your table. Okay? Now these are new. Axis of symmetry, and then is your vertex a minimum or a maximum? Okay. What do I mean by axis of symmetry? Like when you hear symmetry. Ben?
The line that cuts the thing in half.
The line that would go straight down the middle, that would cut it in half. Okay. Axis of symmetry is an x value. X equals 1. Okay.
21.
How could you guys tell that from the table?
Ooh.
Emma?
Since one's right in the middle and the other two near each other.
Okay, have you guys noticed in your table, if you found the vertex correctly, what do you notice?
It mirrors symmetry.
It mirrors it. That's how you know that you take, yes, good.
So you would just take like the x value of the vertex.
Yes. Okay, so the axis of symmetry is the x value of the vertex. Yeah. Okay, so my next question I'm asking is that vertex a minimum? What's minimum mean? The least amount, the bottom, or is it the maximum? It's the minimum?
So if you had a negative.
It's like if the
Beginning.
arrows are
It was
going
like
up,
that.
it's a minimum. If the arrows are
Oh,
going
we'll
down,
change, yeah,
It was like this.
okay,
Why is it maximum again?
okay. Looking at your graph,
Huh?
here's your vertex.
Yeah.
Is that the lowest point or the highest point?
Look.
The lowest point.
Okay.
So that would make it a minimum. Okay? I changed this problem to help address the question you guys just asked. So let's do this one together.
What do we just add?
What would a maximum look like?
Or just use this split?
Good, Drew.
What would a maximum look like?
What a great question, Blake.
I didn't put my calculator.
Okay.
What a great question.
No. Okay, how do you know it's flipped? So negative sign flips it. Jack, give me another one.
Not like room for shifts.
Yeah, yeah.
Up 10.
Okay, up 10. Jacob?
Oh, about 4.
Left 4, good. What makes that 0? And then last one, Ben? If it's a, if,
Oh, Ben.
what's the 2 do?
Arrows?
Narrows. Thank you. Hey Grant, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can you run down and ask Mrs. Duda if she's supposed to be in here? No, I'm not creating this whole new lesson plan yet again. This is like my second time doing it.
Well, this is
Okay.
a pretty elaborate lesson plan. She was gonna come watch it.
Like, this is my best
No, it
show.
was what I was gonna do anyway. It's just we keep getting things shoved back, so it's kind of helpful that it's all on one day. She's gonna be like, wow, they do so much. Kahoot, boards, move.
Oh, that's true.
It's like all like,
It's like acting
it all
normal
falls
and
into
relaxed,
one.
you know?
oh, this boat, oh gosh.
Dance.
Miss Baker lets you shake your hips like that?
No, it's not.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, Miss Baker.
No hips.
No hips.
No
No
hips.
hips.
I was like, there's no
We
hip.
lived
She's
it all
been
the
playing
time,
Kahoot
though.
since we made our Kahoot dance.
No hips.
Exactly, she doesn't like those hips moving.
Them hips were hard to move.
Yeah, how she dance, how she dance with her husband. She has to move her hips.
If I get invited to a wedding, I'll check it out. to
Yeah,
see.
exactly. You should be able to.
I'm
getting invited. Every single time you dance. Watch your slip.
Okay.
Like I said.
Okay,
Guys, what is it? No one knows. It's all good.
It's
Yes.
all go. Just
it's
make
in,
signs
oh, I'm
and
not
do
gonna
it.
tell you, never.
Hey.
Okay, what's the
What
vertex?
is it?
It's straight.
What's the vertex?
Oh, God.
Negative 410.
Oh, guys! Why is it negative 4?
Minus the negative.
Oh,
That's
okay. Okay.
Grant, what'd you say?
Is everyone okay with it being negative 4?
Yeah, I'm really cool with that.
Okay.
So, okay with that?
Okay, can you guys please get the table?
Sure.
Chicken breast and
Oh, I think I dropped it.
Okay. Do you remember how to get absolute value?
I dropped it on the ground and it stopped working.
Oh.
And I dropped it again and lines came on screen. And now it's just
Why is the vertex negative 410?
Thought that would help.
I got a little facial. That's something that's like 5 years. If I
That's right, that's
So Ben, sometimes you'll see me write it up here so I
Oh, we
know.
have to do the math thing again. Dang it.
I'm gonna go to her wedding. Bring a picture.
Go ask.
What it is.
Where's my graph?
Have like table made.
Ooh, I like that.
Your graph looks like a spreadsheet.
Whoa.
Oh, it is macro. Alright,
Dude, I don't even know.
Move up a bit. 6, 8, 10. That's a weird 0. Okay.
Mine actually
Here we go.
correct this
Got
time. Yeah, mine did it correct.
Okay.
How come it doesn't
Well,
correct?
it here's it's them.
do you want us to graph or do you want us to wait?
You can go ahead and grab it while I try to figure out their calculator.
And then I go like
Issues.
that. Then I point like that.
Stop.
I don't know, as we go to the board, if it keeps doing that, let me know. I might try to reset some things. What was negative 6, guys?
6,
6? Negative 5 was?
8, 6,
Did you guys count by 1s or 2s? 2s for the y's? You guys just said you counted by 2s. Okay, it's okay if you guys count, if some of you guys counted by 1s, that's okay.
It's not okay.
It's okay.
We counted by 1. Yeah.
What is the axis of symmetry then? Aspen?
-4.
Okay. Okay, what is one way, Aaron, you could tell it's negative for?
Just look at the x value of the vertex.
Okay, look at the x value of the vertex. What is another way we could tell?
You look at your graph and find the vertex.
Okay, look at our graph. Okay. Is our vertex a minimum or a maximum, Catherine?
No.
How did you know?
It's at the highest point of the graph.
Good, it's at the highest point of the graph. Okay,